Welcome to the Nature Show. Welcome to the Nature Show. Featuring the nature. The nature is so beautiful. The nature is definitely worth it. There is a lot of nature. Here's some more nature. That's the type of nature I hate. Nature can be huge. Nature can be very large. And you can get very close up with nature. Very close up. Nature. Here you can find more nature. A lot of nature. But nature doesn't always have to be alive. Nature can also be fake. I found more nature up close. Let's follow this frog. Yes. I'm going to try to interact with nature. Nature. Where did you go, nature? Nature, where did you go? It seems that not all nature wants to interact with me. And it seems that I don't want to interact with most nature. But it's just nature. You can find plenty of nature in your backyard, in your front yard, in your side yard, in the skies, in a random forest adventure. All I say is you should get lost in the nature, and you should go out there and explore the nature, cause nature is beautiful. And thank you for watching. This has been Nature with GEmInI. And I hope you would like to see more of this series, and like, comment, and subscribe to The Other Forest. Of course, it's all about nature. Thank you, and goodbye.